I don't have enough time to learn English. I have to go college, I have a job, I have to go office regularly, I have to go university, and I have a lot of university assignment. And I have a family, I have to take care of them. And when I get free time, I wanna relax and don't think about English. Do you ever say this to yourself? I understand your feel. I know you don't have enough time. So today's video, I'll give you the couple of things that you can learn in new language, you can manage your time. And the first thing I would like to say here, that is those people who said, I really don't have enough time to learn English. If you really want to do something inside your heart, you will find your time. I know that you may come with me a lot of example that really I don't have enough time. Really, I'm so busy in my life. I don't have enough time. Equal, this is not my priority. You know what is your goal? I want to do something. I will find my time. I will manage my time. Because I really want to do something. I really want to achieve this skill. I don't have enough time. That means this is not my goal. I have enough time to learn English. That means this is my goal. You know that I know a person who was my subscriber and he watched my video regularly. One day he messaged me that I'm so dedicated to learn this language. That's why I left my job and right now I am giving full effort and full time to learn this language. Please don't get me wrong, I am not motivating you to leave your job. I know, I understand that everyone's case is not same. I want not just to say you that be productive with your time. Be productive. You have to utilize with your time learning proper mechanism. You have to go college, you have to go university, you have to go job, and you are wasting your time on the way. There and come back you spend with your time, right, on the way. You can, on that moment, you can watch English content, you can listen podcast by using headphone, or you can read books, because you said that you don't have enough time. So what you have to do, you have to be productive. You have to find your time. And I know people who are using social media hours and hours and scrolling reels. You have to stop it. You have to watch English content regularly. You have to be productive with your time. And you know that good time management help you to achieve your goal faster. Good time management increase your productivity and reduce procrastination. You have to manage your time. You are getting my point? Just be productive with your time. So thank you so much for joining with me. I hope this video makes sense to you. Be productive with your time and learn English faster. So best of luck. If you like this video, please consider to subscribing. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please visit my playlist and watch more English content about learning English. Best of luck. Bye bye.